To enable voice typing in Windows 10, open the control panel, type control panel in the search box and then click on the first result. Now in this window, after making the view option as large icons, locate speech recognition. It is here. Open it. Now in this window, click on the first option here, start speak recognition. If you are first time to use this facility, then click here next in the setup window, and from here select the type of your microphone and click next. Click next. In this window, read aloud the sentence written here. Once your computer can recognize your voice, then the next button here will be activated. Click here next. Your microphone is set up now. Click next. From here choose the first option, enable document review, and then click next. Here select the activation mode. I prefer manual activation. Then click next. From here you can print out list of some commands that your computer can respond to. Click next. Put check mark towards this option and then click next. In the next window you can watch a tutorial or just skip it. I'm going to skip it. Okay, now the speech recognition facility has been activated in your system. Now return to the Microsoft Word file. Now click on this mic icon and start typing by voice. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for my latest videos. Thank you.